Alright, I've already locked it and left for about 10 seconds. What you do... This is super loud. I tell ya, this is super loud. Ready, neighbours? Ready? Da 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 da. That's a little rap beat. Little rap beat it makes. And what we do is we come into here, we turn it to on position, alarm activated by driver's door. Turn until you want it to go away. If you want it to go away, simply push mode. Watch that. Watch that. Push mode. Gone. There you go. Simple. Right. What does? Well, if there's trouble locking, what you do, pull that up, lock, does that. There's a bit of an error there. There we go, job done. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.